To replace the sunshade, you will need to first remove the rear door panel. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. Place a soft clean towel down on your bench and then place the panel face down on it. Make sure the screen is fully retracted as you are going to pass the pull, blue arrow, through the trim piece, red arrow, on the top of the door panel. Use a trim removal tool and gently pry the trim piece out from the door. There are several small clips that hold it in place, red arrows. The sides of the trim piece will sit in the sunshade housing, blue arrows. There are 4 T20 Torx screws you will need to remove from the top of the door panel, blue arrows, and depending whether the door has been worked on before, 3 screws under the insulation, red arrow. Remove the insulation from the bottom of the door, folding it back to give you access to the Torx screws. Remove the 3 remaining T20 Torx screws indicated by red arrows. With the screws removed, rotate and slide the mechanism out from the bottom, clearing the door handle as you go. Installation is the reverse of removal. Make sure when installing the sunshade that the pull tab clears the top of the door panel before tightening everything down. Torque the T20 screws to 2.3 Newton meters or 1.5 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.